Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Tui Hoc Tieng Anen, a channel that helps you learn English a little each day in a simple, easy, and effective way, perfect for busy people and beginners. Let me ask you something. Have you ever listened to English and felt sleepy? Maybe it was too hard, or maybe it was just not interesting. I understand. I felt the same. In the past, I tried many ways to improve my English listening. I listened to slow conversations. I watched learning videos. I followed English classes. But sometimes, my mind was somewhere else. I was listening, but I was not learning. One day, I found something different. A podcast, not for students, but for real life. It was about Stoic philosophy, how to stay calm, how to understand pain, how to live with peace inside yourself. It was deep, but also simple. And do you know what happened? For the first time, I forgot I was listening to English. I just wanted to know more. I wanted to understand the message. And because I loved the topic, my brain worked harder. But it didn't feel hard. That moment changed how I learn. Now I choose to listen to what I love, in English. Not what is easy, not what is popular, but what makes my heart feel something. When I listen to something I care about, I don't count minutes. I don't feel bored. I don't worry about grammar. I just enjoy the message. And this is the secret. When you enjoy what you listen to, your ears open. Your brain connects faster. Your heart remembers. Now I have a small habit. While cooking, I play a short podcast. While walking, I let my headphones play. Sometimes I stop and repeat a word. Sometimes I don't understand. And that's okay. Because day by day, my listening grows. You don't have to understand 100%. Even 50% is a win. Even one sentence can stay in your mind. One quote can give you power. So if you ask me, how can I listen better? I will say, don't listen to what you should. Listen to what you love. It could be music, it could be stories, it could be a podcast about life, cooking, travel, anything. English is not just a subject, it's a part of life. And life is easier to learn when it feels real. So today, try something different. Search for something you love, but in English. Don't study it, just enjoy it. Let your ears feel happy. Let your mind relax. And slowly, very slowly, you will improve. You will listen better. You will think in English. And you will fall in love with learning again. If this story makes you smile, please give this video a like, share it with someone who's learning too, and subscribe to Tui Hoc Tieng An. Together, we'll grow. One word, one habit, one happy moment at a time. See you in the next video.